And the winner is...
Judy and
Judy Ann Santos from the film Statue, directed by Chico Reyes from the Philippines.
Yes, good evening. There's a lot of excess baggage when I get back home. I would like to thank the jury, Fantasporto, for the recognition. It is with great pride and honor that I'm here to represent my country, which is the Philippines. I would also like to share this award with my director, Chito Ronyo, our writer, Chris Martinez, and my producer, Attorney Joji, and of course to Espantaja team, and to my husband and to my 3 children. They've always been my inspiration in every project I make. Porto is such a beautiful city. I'm just so happy I will be bringing home the best souvenir. Thank you.
Sulit magbayad ng excess baggage.